Man, it's Ayeeedayday. We back with another video, man. If it's your first time visiting the channel, man, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Turn on the post notification so you don't miss no upcoming bangers this 2020, man. Hey, look, y'all seen by the title of the video. So, you want to improve your accuracy? Stay tuned to the end of the video. Watch the whole video, man, so you can understand everything. But I'm going to explain what I'm about to be doing in the video, man. So, first, we shooting a little piece of strip, or take off a little piece of strip, shooting that between 5 to 7 yards, all right? Then I cut out another target, and I put that out there. I was shooting that between 5 to 7 yards. Probably it was like around like 6 to 7 yards, most of it, whatever the case may be. That's going to help improve your accuracy, precision, man, and trust in your shot. Because shooting that little paper, man, you can miss, and you can nip it, and you can nip it, and it'll piss your ass off when you're not really hitting it. Once you're really hitting it, you really can show how you trust your shot and make your shot, man. Oh, man. But nah, I learned this drill from one of my homies, man. We was out there one day. I showed him a couple of my drills that I be doing. I go to the range, and he showed me one of his, and they was showing a little strip of paper. So I'm like, damn, that's tight right there. Like, that makes you really learn, you know what I'm saying, what your accuracy really is. Because that little thin-ass piece of paper, the piece of paper, like, is the width on the paper is no more than, like, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. So it's like that little, like, I'm trying to say, that little piece of paper thing counts, man. But yes, I did not hit every time with that paper. So you're going to see some misses, bombers. That was just really showing y'all, like, that shit is not that easy to fucking hit. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to talk your shit, put it down in the comment. I'm going to talk shit right back with you, you dig? But, if you want to have a shootout and you want to around the way, if you around my area, shit, comment down below. We can have a shootout. If you have not checked out my other shootout video, I advise you to go check that out. You know what I'm saying? Before you talk your shit, you dig? But you know what I'm saying? So that's basically that, though, man. But other than that, man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Make sure you turn on post notifications like I already said. Share the video, man, to others so you won't... Yeah, share the videos to others just in case they're trying to learn how to improve their accuracy. You always got to stay on your P's and Q's, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking around, scoping, you know what I'm saying? People driving by and shit, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, stay on your P's and Q's, man, all times, man. If you conceal the carry your drone, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's concealed, make sure it's not printed, make sure it's not going through none of that. I'm going to get to a video like that and another clip, make a video about how to conceal the carry and how to keep it tucked away. So that's gonna be another video coming up for y'all. But other than that, man, let's get right into this video, man. So let's go.
All right, man.